Experience exceptional aerial photography with the 90 adjustable 4K camera featuring a 110 FOV lens, ensuring stunning high-resolution images and videos during your drone adventures. Equipped with more cameras than comparable drones, including one at the bottom, this device captures unexpected and unique angles. The built-in optical flow positioning system facilitates accurate hovering indoors, offering stability and confidence for beginners. The brushless motor arms deliver powerful and stable flight, with 4 wind resistance levels, enabling operation in windy conditions, such as at the beach. The innovative brushless motor design ensures less noise and a longer lifespan compared to brushed motors, ensuring a perfect flying experience. Featuring one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode, this drone is beginner-friendly. Additional features like gravity control, altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment, and 3D flips provide endless possibilities for creative exploration. The C110 boasts a beautiful and futuristic foldable design, complemented by an included carrying case, offering unparalleled freedom to take your drone anywhere. Weighing less than 250 grams, this drone eliminates the need for FAA registration. For first-time drone users seeking guidance on photography, takeoff, landing, general maintenance, and repairs, our dedicated customer service representatives are available around the clock to promptly assist and resolve any queries or concerns.